Good morning, patters. Today's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Really big road trip, giant surprise later on in the video. Going to get something for the 358 that's gonna blow your mind. It's already blown mine. But anyways, let's see how the day goes. Alrighty, so we have picked up said item that we were going to go and get. It was a 5-hour drive. Zach's driving because
clearly the better driver.
No, because he has a reliable vehicle.
And I'm a better driver.
I have a CDL, so you can go fly a kite. Anywho, I'll just give you, I don't know if you'll be able to tell what's in the back of the truck from here, but if you can, I guess comment, but at the end of the video you'll see what it is anyways. But anyways, we're gonna 5-6 hours back home and then I'll show you. After a very long drive, Zach driving me, sleeping, watching YouTube videos, and mostly doing nothing, we made it back to the old cold area in which I live and reside in. Oh, we got a free shovel. But before we do a reveal on what we ended up buying, or what I ended up buying for the Brockway, we're gonna do a very, very, very cold start because I need to start the truck in order to reveal the item that I'm revealing. So we're gonna set this right here. Oh, not there, that's the ground. And see if this thing starts. And just take note that the smoke pipe is off of the truck. So if you didn't guess what I have, maybe you will now. Yeah. Oh.
Make sure you push in the clutch.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Still use some ether, but the only reason why I'm really using ether the last couple times because my batteries are getting tired and I'm too lazy to bring over my battery charger. Anyways, now for the big reveal. What did I buy? What did I buy? What did I buy? Oh, it's a sleeper. It is a sleeper. I do have the other door to go on said Brockway. It is a sleep right. It has got a mouse house inside of it. It is a rest right sleeper. With a hole for that. It's just, it's going on there, right there. It's gonna be awesome. Well, we're gonna set this on real quick, and we're gonna put the Brockway in the newly cleaned out garage. I have been going to town on the garage. You guys, if you guys see my later videos, it was a disaster in here. I even have my drill press that I bought a million years ago and never used set up. So we got the garage all cleaned out. I've got scrap cleaned out here. So we're getting ready to, well, we are putting the 358 in the garage permanently tonight. Yes, for the winter. My goodness, isn't that about the coolest freaking thing you have ever seen? I mean, it's got to get moved around and on there right, and a smoke-later pipe put on and whatnot, but we're gonna back this in there and call it a night. In the garage, sleepers on, ready for some winter fun, am I right? Okay. Yeah, there's so much beer gonna be drunken in here. I mean, work done on my truck. All right, from Zach and I, pitter patter, get at her. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shout out to Zach, because he always helps me, because he's the only one with a reliable vehicle.